The overall goal of this scanning light scattering profiler is to quantitatively evaluate the intensity and directionality of scattered light as it passed through an intraocular lens.
This test method can help addressing key questions in the field of intraocular lenses, such as if a particular design or material is more sensitive to introducing unwanted light scattering.
The main advantage of this technique is that it's quantitative and can be used to detect directionality of light scatter.
A test procedure will be demonstrated by Claudie Krausik, a technical associate in my lab.
The experimental setup is assembled on a benchtop. At its core is a Goniophotometer designed around this programmable 360-degree rotation and linear translation stage. The stage rests on a platform that enables translation and tilt adjustments. A photodiode mounted at the end of the stage's extendable arm is the Goniophotometer sensor. It is supported on a mount that can be adjusted by at least 45 degrees to measure different planes of scatter. Construct a platform to hold the intraocular lens above the Goniophotometer. Use 3 or 4 18-inch long half-inch diameter cylindrical posts and post stands to support an 18-inch by 18-inch breadboard. The breadboard serves as the base for a 3-axis translation stage that is suspended below it. Next, obtain the intraocular lens for the experiment. This multifocal optical lens will serve for this demonstration. Note the structure's intraocular lenses.